In this video, you'll see how to install the Smart Keyless Protector in your Audi key. The installation is identical for these models: Audi A3 from 2020, Audi Q3 from 2019, and Audi Q5 from 2018. Remove the mechanical key and use it to open the key fob cover. Take out the original battery. Inside the kit, you'll find the protector chip and a thinner replacement battery designed to fit perfectly with the protector inside the key. Wrap the chip around the battery. When you see the red light flashing, it means everything is working properly. Place the battery back into position and reassemble the key fob. That's it. After 3 minutes of being completely motionless, the Smart Keyless system automatically switches off, making the key inaccessible to thieves using wireless attacks. As soon as you move the key, it immediately returns to its normal factory operation.